you.
The person on the Galaxy A01, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hey.
What's your name?
Nasamela Beeman.
Thank you, Mr. Beeman.
Judge, we just took care of him with Ari.
Oh,
So
okay.
He's scheduled for the 14th. Yeah, the 14th at 10 a.m.
Okay, Mr. Beeman, sir, your attorney checked in, and your case is going to be on the morning of the 14th at 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. We'll see you on the 14th, sir.
All right, peace.
All right. You want to try Mr. Bird?
Yes, Judge.
Cindy just wrote an offer to Judge.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm gonna send you the offers right now for both.
All right.
Hi, Judge. It's Cindy Rogers. How are you?
How you doing, Ms. Rogers?
Good. How are you? I'm gonna be
well.
a biker
Happy
now.
New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
So you're in here now?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna call Mr. Bird.
All right, and I'm gonna see you the offers. You and Sally both the offers, Judge.
Oh, okay, cool. I think I overheard that he's getting a date with the Secretary of State. Hey, Mr. Bird, how you doing?
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing all right. Let me call your case, sir. 1 second here. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Malcolm Bird, case 207173511. Mr. Bird, sir, you're charged with one count of driving with a license that is expired. Sir, that is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. Mr. Bird, sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf at this time. Okay, Mr. Bird, sir, you got an appointment with the Secretary of State yet?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
When is that?
March 2nd at 2 p.m.
March 2nd? Do you expect to get your license at that time?
Yes, I do. The reason it took me so long, Your Honor, is I had a previous appointment and I got bumped. And they said that the earliest that they could get me was then.
It took me 4 months, so I understood. Mr. Bird, I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial sometime after your March date. Give you a chance to get your license, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay, how about, let me grab my calendar one second.
Let me grab the pen so I can write this down.
One second. Calendar. You say your appointment's on March 2nd?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's shoot for the end of the week. Let's say March 5th.
Okay.
It is,
Thank you, Your Honor.
unless you hear otherwise, it's just gonna be zooming in like this. And we're gonna set it for 8:30 a.m., okay?
All right.
Okay, and try to keep your paperwork together because I want to look at it at that point, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, sir, we'll see you March 5th, 2020 at 8:30 a.m.
You take care and be safe, Your Honor.
You too, Mr. Byrd.
Thank you. Do I just hit leave or am I supposed to wait?
Yeah. All right, now we got a Hope Berry.
Yes.
We got a drug charge. All right.
Judge, let me put my appearance on the record. Sally Irwin on behalf of Hope Berry. I think she can hear us.
You know what? She's not. Well, she's just in the room now. Well, let me call the case and you put your appearance on, Miss Irwin.
Okay.
All right, 1 second. How you doing, Miss Berry?
Fine, how are you?
I'm doing well. Let me call your case. 1 second. I gotta find the case number. All right. State of Michigan versus Hope Berry, case U582-50520. Miss Berry, could you state your name for the record?
Oh, my name's Hope Elizabeth Berry.
Okay, thank you, Miss Berry. And Miss Irwin, could you put your appearance on?
Sally Irwin on behalf of Hope Berry.
Okay. Miss Berry, Miss Irwin's acting as your attorney today. Do you understand that?
That's okay.
All
Thank you.
right. So, Miss Berry, you are charged with one count of. Here, 1 second here. Let me grab. Active tickets. I'm
Hopefully
sorry.
you can read it because I can't.
We got an update on our computer. I don't know where anything is anymore. I'm just looking
Uh-oh.
for my email.
It's all learning process.
Yeah.
Judge, you want me to
So-
send, I'll send you a copy of it.
Oh, cool. Can you send me a copy of the ticket?
Can you scan this to me?
Sure.
Give me a few seconds, Judge. Just waiting on it to show up. Oh, shit. One minute, Judge. I was having some technical difficulties. Yeah, right. Okay. No, I sent the wrong thing, Judge. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you for your patience, Miss Berry. We'll get it together.
It's coming.
It's all new for everybody here.
Oh, goodness.
Here we go.
No,
Man, you
Judge,
got-
that's not. I'm
I
sending it
can't
out.
even read mine.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. Look at the box.
It's on a Monday.
Okay. This is State of Michigan versus Hope Berry, case U582-50520. Miss Berry, you're charged with one count of possession of a controlled substance. Ma'am, that is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. Ms. Berry, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. All right.
Judge, may I just interject here and inquire as to, does the ticket indicate the substance?
Cocaine.
Okay,
There is a recommendation for a delayed sentence for 6 months. Ma'am, you also have the right to take these matters to pre-trial and eventually trial. Do you guys want to have a private conversation? I can put you in the breakout room.
yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, it should ask you to join the room.
Is that all
Hey.
you guys have?
For right now.
Joining.
All right.
Did y'all see a Andre?
Yeah, let's bring him in.
Okay. I think it's Andre Burns, I think.
How you doing, sir?
Hi, how you doing, sir?
Cool. What's your name?
Andre Burns.
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
All right.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Andre Burns, case SP 1114618, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Burns, sir, you're charged with 1 count of no insurance and 1 count of driving with a license that's not valid. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
There's one more, Judge.
Is it a civil infraction?
No, it's a misdemeanor. It looked like he already took a plea on it,
Oh, okay.
and like he just owes money. It's a warrant out for it.
Okay, 1 second, let me pull it up. Okay, also case SX 2029881. It's a 2015 matter.
Yes, I'm aware of that. That's the one I've been trying to pay for. I tried to pull it up on the kiosk, the DavDat kiosk, and I was going to pay it at the kiosk, but it told me I had to come down to the court.
Yep,
But I
well,
didn't
because
know
it,
it couldn't come
because it
down.
went into warrant status, we had to lift the warrant before you can pay it. So I'm gonna lift the warrant on that right now so you can take care of it as soon as possible.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay, Mr. Burns, do you have a license or insurance yet?
I got the insurance. I haven't. I have an appointment with the Secretary of State for March for my license.
Do you know when? March what?
I think I want to say I made the appointment last year. I want to say I think that if I'm correct, that is March 21st that I set it for. That was the earliest they could give me.
That's no problem, sir. I'm gonna give you a new date after that, give you a chance to get your license. If you take care of this ticket, the one that you tried to do by the kiosk, you should
Yeah.
be in a better position to get your license back, okay?
Okay,
And then
but I do have. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Go
we'll
ahead. I'm
come
sorry.
back, and if you have your documentation, we'll consider dismissing these 2 cases.
Okay, no problem.
All right, so let me give you a date.
Okay, let me get something to write it down.
You said your appointment's on the 26th?
21st.
21st. I'm gonna double check. I'm pretty sure it's the 21st, but I'm gonna double check it just to make sure.
No, that's a Sunday.
That's a Sunday. Okay, it's before that. Then I'm pretty sure.
It's fine. We're gonna give you a date, April 6th, 2020.
April 6th.
Yep, 2020 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, if I get anything sooner than that, will I be able to chime back in or zoom back in for that matter or anything? If I can get in sooner than that?
If you get it before then, Zoom back in on a business day by 8:30 and let them know that you got your documents and you want to try to take care of this early. I hear it.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Judge, I got a quick question. Are you gonna give him a date to pay this ticket that he owed already, or?
No, just or just put April 6th on there.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Yep. But take care of the old ticket as soon as possible, because that's gonna hold you up from getting your license back.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, we'll see you on the 6th or earlier.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Mr. Burns.
All right, thank you.
All right. Okay, we're back with Miss Berry and Miss Irwin. Miss Irwin, how
Yes,
we proceed
Judge.
today?
We're gonna take that offer, Your Honor, and tender a plea.
Okay, Miss Berry, could you raise your right hand? You promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am, you understand that you have the right to go to trial on these cases?
yes.
Anybody promise you something other than what we just talked about?
No,
Okay, Miss Berry, directing your attention to the date of October 19th, 2020. Ma'am, were you in possession of cocaine in front of 13953 Cheris?
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea to the charge of possession. This matter is gonna be taken as a delayed sentence, meaning that if you complete the terms of the sentence, then I am going to dismiss the case at the end of this. Ms. Berry had a chance to kind of scroll through the older tickets. You got this same ticket 10 years ago?
Yes, I fell off the wagon.
Same place?
Yeah.
And it's the same spot. I tell you this, if it's any motivation, we get so many tickets from that Cheris address. That should be motivation enough not to be at that spot.
I know. I was away from it, and then this pandemic, and there's no excuse. I just fell. I just fell again.
Well, not.
I lost hope.
I'm not saying any situation is a fatalist situation.
Right.
So,
Right.
it looks like you're doing a little better, but
Yeah, I'm feeling good, but I'm just disappointed. Just that one time. It always takes that one time, to screw up again. And
well, it's not about the screw up; it's about what you do afterwards. So,
right.
Hopefully, if you want some help, we can get you some help. But if you got it under control, then I'm just gonna leave the date. The terms of my sentence is don't pick up another ticket like this.
Right.
Okay,
No problem.
So you do that. I'm gonna set a date for April 6, 2020. You don't pick up another ticket like this by April 6th, case will be dismissed on that date, waiving fines and costs.
Okay. Thank you.
Any questions?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. No, thank you. You have a good day.
Too, man.
April 6th,
April 6th,
2021.
21. I'm saying 2020 still. 21.
Yes, you are. It's okay. It's only this 5th of the month,
I got until the end of January to stop messing that up. So
Okay. Okay.
all right. And that's gonna be at 8:30, and that concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good evening.
You too. We had that yesterday where we could hear them and they couldn't hear us.
Yeah.
You know what I think it is? I think the volume of your computer is just turned off. So like if I lower my volume, I could probably still talk and you guys can probably hear me.
Okay.
But then, I can't hear anything that you're saying.
Okay.
So I don't know.